For G-click, learn G-trick. It is a special and interesting trick on binomial theorem. What is the sum of all the coefficient of all the terms in the expansion of 45x minus 49 whole to the power 4? The trick is, if we are to find the sum of the coefficient of all the terms in the expansion ax plus by whole to the power n, the sum of coefficients equal to a plus b whole to the power n. Now, what is a? A equal to 45, and what is b? B equal to minus 49. So, applying this trick, the sum of coefficients of all the terms in this expansion 45 minus 49 to the power 4. Here n equal to 4. 45 minus 49, that is minus 4 to the power 4, that is 256. So, the sum of coefficients of all the terms in the expansion of 45x minus 49 to the power 4 is 256.